suffering caused by these wars. We don't want this garbage. We want our human rights. We want our right to heal.
I'm here to return my Global War on Terrorism Service Medal in solidarity with the people of Iraq and the people of Afghanistan. I am deeply sorry for the destruction that we have caused in those countries and around the globe. I am proud to stand on this stage with my fellow veterans and my Afghan sisters. These were lies. I'm giving them back.
This medal I'm dedicating to the children of Iraq that no longer have fathers and mothers.
I was a nuclear, biological, chemical specialist for a war that didn't have any weapons of mass destruction. So I deserted. I'm one of 40,000 people that left the United States Armed Forces because this is a lie.
I'm returning my Global War on Terrorism medal and my military coins on behalf of Private First Class Bradley Manning, who sacrificed everything to show us the truth about these wars.
I was duped into an illegal war that was sold to me on the guise that I was going to be liberating the Iraqi people, when instead of liberating the people, I was liberating their oil fields.
And I'm turning in these medals today for the people of Afghanistan, Iraq, Palestine, and all victims of occupation across the world, and also for all the service members and veterans who are against these wars. You are not alone.